Okay, this is 10616 Mountain Stream Court, Las Vegas, Nevada, 89129, which is known as the Lone Mountain area. This is a subject property. It's in an HOA area, $80 a month. This property's been vacant, I've been told by the neighbor across the street, for about 3 years. It was boarded up, and I just got property preservation to remove the wood and put a new door. 3-bedroom, 2-bath. 2.5 baths on a 2,614 square foot lot, which is very common for these starter homes here. Eek. I gotta turn on the light. There's no lighting downstairs. Okay, front room. They already pulled all the flooring. I think there was wood floors here that got warped. This was purchased, gosh, I forgot what year, as an HOA lien. A little tactic around here with a lot of investors is they buy the HOA liens, so they foreclose on the property, then they rent it out, and then they wait for another foreclosure and just get out. So at this point, the bank, for the first lien holder, foreclosed, and it was leased for some time. There was some type of water leak, water damage, so lots of mold. This is the half bath downstairs. I don't know, someone went to town. I was told that kids broke in here, and that's why they had to board. And you'll see, I got a lot of rocks in the toilet, and that's why you've got broken toilets. Alright, as you can see here, mold. This got really cleaned up, just saying. Alright, I'm gonna go here. This is the little dining area. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,342 square feet. 2,614 square foot lot. This was the sliding door to the backyard. Okay, I have no lights here, so I'm gonna do my best, try to go slowly. All right, this is the ceiling. I don't know what the heck happened here. I don't think this was a weed house. All right, Formica countertops. As you can see, mold. There's still a garbage disposal. Ugh. The oven still looks okay. More mold. Okay, this is a relatively big pantry for a small house. I've got a 3,100 square foot house, and my pantry is not even this big. Needless to say, my house was terrible design. Anyway, I am underneath the staircase. pretty high. All right, I'm in the garage. I still don't know why the heck it looks like this. All right, well, I got a water tank here. I'm trying to think what year. I can't figure out what year this is. Need to have a new window, or the glass is broken on the other side. Okay, there you go. Made your job easier. They removed carpeting and the flooring, so you don't have to pay your contractor money for demo. Here's the this is like, I'm not sure what the heck. Save the master for last. This is bedroom 1. This door isn't able to shut. A hole in this closet, little hole. There's 2 doors in the garage. I think it might be for this closet. Interesting, the walls are not too bad. The door frame is gone. Okay. Second bathroom. Fiberglass is still in good condition. Broken vanity, mirror, medicine cabinet. New toilet. I see rocks again. There's a little linen closet here. Oh, it's still okay. Another linen closet here. Okay, bedroom 2. All right. Trying to. This closet is actually okay. Okay. All right. master. Need to change the drywall. This part right here looks really wet. Okay, so this is, all right, this is other wall is the, oh, what the heck, that, all right, that's the laundry wall. Don't know what happened here. Pretty big walk-in closet. All right. Oh, wait, I know. All right, I need new cabinets since they're missing. Need a new mirror. There's a hole right here. Let's see here. Well, I guess it's okay. This fiberglass still okay. Window okay. Shower still looks okay. Broken medicine cabinet mirror. And another rock. Told you. 3 rocks. I'm just trying to think if that's kids playing around with this. His door frame is gone. Another door frame. Okay. This room is nice and bright. This door frame on the outside it's damaged. Stiff view. Nice breeze. We're next to the 215 freeway that way. You see mountain view on this side.